For the use of winch requirements, there are some technical points that need special attention. First, it is general to use slow electric winch to lift materials. Its main parameters are rated load, real capacity, and rated speed. Second, the winch should be installed in the flat, open, no obstacles in front, and a little far from the lifting center. When hoisting with the mast, the distance away must be greater than the length of the mast. Third, the winch fixed should be firm and reliable, previous and overturning and movement. The fixed ropes binding the base of the winch should be drawn out from both sides to prevent the base from moving under force. Fourth, the straight horizontal distance from the reel to the first guide block should be greater than 25 times the length of the reel. And the guide row should be located on the vertical line of the reel to ensure that the reel into the rope angle is less than 2 degrees. Fifth, the wire rope on the winch should be released from the bottom M of the drum, and the remaining wire rope on the drum should be no less than 4 laps. When multiple layers of wire rope are wound on the drum, the outermost layer of wire rope should be lower than the height of one rope diameter at both ends of the drum flange. This is the use of winch requirements. If you want to know more about winches, please feel free to touch with us, Dejun Cranes.